Monday, February 23rd, about 7:30 in the morning. Came outside 7 o'clock. There was about a foot of snow, and it's gonna snow until 1 o'clock. So we did the first pass on the driveway. Opened up this here to get to the house. Made this path. Whew. Got to shovel off the stoop. I open this up wide. Got to shovel up these steps. Big mess of snow that was not needed. And it's only about 7 o'clock in the morning, or 7:30 now. But we removed 1 foot. 1 foot of snow. Now they said there's another foot coming between now and lunchtime. Nobody else is out. I didn't even see the town plow. But look, cut that nice road right here. This is good to bring the groceries in the house from the driveway. Got right down to the grass. What a storm. That's my father. The snow is certainly flying. Ooh, let me go in here for a second. Ooh, it's nice and warm in here. Ooh, my face is red. Red is better than black. If it turns black, that means you got frostbite. Ooh. The abominable snowman. Look at that. It's going to be here till the end of March. Snow's not going nowhere. You know what that means? It means the grass will be nice and green in April. Look at this snow. That table was cleared off yesterday. That table was down to the glass. Look at that. Whoa. My fingers are frostbite. Now I got to do that down to the pigeon coops later. Okay, everybody, stay safe, stay warm. I'm going to the house. Talk to you later on lunchtime when we got to come out and do it again.